So today we're going to be trying a wonderful drink by Brands, and it's called Bird's Nest Drink. So if I drink all of this, I get a wafting $1 bill. So if we look at this, ingredients: water, rock, sugar, dry bird's nest, and gum gum. And you can see the bird's nest like in there. And I had to drink all of this for $1. And it's safe for humans to drink apparently. So I got the air circulating. Oh my. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't open it. I can't drink it. Oh gosh.
What does it smell like?
It doesn't smell that bad.
What does it smell like?
Plastic.
Oh.
Plastic tastes good anyway. Alright, so here it goes. I'm gonna be drinking this for $1. You know, that wasn't that bad. It was all sugar. It was literally all sugar. Thank you. And thanks for watching.